Good morning, students. This online class, I am giving you the answers of the exercises in chapter 24, active and passive. First is exercises 1, that is in the page 151 in the textbook. The waiter at the restaurant served hot tea. The answer is here serve is the verb. Object is hot tea. That is what the waiter at the restaurant served what? Hot tea. The answer, the verb is past tense. So hot tea was served by the waiter at the restaurant. Hot tea was served by the waiter at the restaurant. The superstitious villagers really believed his stories. Here, verb believed, object is his stories. So, believed past tense. So, his stories were believed by the superstitious villagers readily. His stories were readily believed by the superstitious villagers. Here where, because his stories, that the object is plural and becomes subject. So the answers are also given at the end of this class. So you have to go through and find out, study the answers. One more, my mother has forgiven me for my rude behavior. Here, my mother, verb is has forgiven. Two objects are here. For forgiven whom? Me. Forgiven what? My rude behavior. So we can answer two ways. One, my rude behavior has been forgiven by my brother. My rude behavior has been forgiven by my mother. Here has forgiven, present perfect passive, has been forgiven. We can also answer these questions. I have been forgiven by my mother for my rude behavior. The second object, indirect object, that also we can use it. Here I have been, because I takes plural verb. I have been forgiven my mother for my rude behavior. So third, the noise of the crackers shocked us. Here shocked verb, object as, when it becomes subject, it changes into we. We are shocked by the noise of the crackers. So there are 20 exercises. The answers are also given, and I have given sample 5. Next, change the following into the objects of the following, that is, change the following sentence into passive using each of the two objects as subject. Here, two objects are given in the sentence. Look at here. The courier will deliver the parcel to the client. Here, will deliver the verb. What is the object? The direct object is will deliver what? The parcel. Whom? The client. So we can answer this in two ways. The parcel will be delivered to the client. The parcel will be delivered. The client will be delivered the parcel. The parcel will be delivered to the client. The client will be delivered to the parcel. Second, a wonderful gift was given to me by my friends. I was given a wonderful gift by my friends. Children and adults are taught dance by Priya. Dance is taught to children and adults by Priya. So look at here. When we use the direct object, we use the indirect object, connecting the indirect by using a to. The parents wrote a letter to the principal. Here, wrote what? A letter from principal. Can I change into two ways. A letter was written to the principal by the parents. The principal was written a letter by the parents. So this is the exercise 3. And the exercise 2, it is not given that is exercise 3 is change the following into passive. That's 3. Second, exercise second is check whether the following sentences are correct or wrong. Correct the wrong sentences. A. Remove the doer if not needed. B. Change into the active if the passive is not appropriate. So in the textbook, it's one page 151. Can say exercise 2 and give the answer. The convict was locked up in the cell. Jaya sang a song. The ground was crowded. All the goods were sold. I learned German. These are the answers. Now move to the exercises 4. 3 is already taken. Exercise 4. Change the sentences from the passive voice into the active voice. That is important. Passive into active. The books must be immediately returned to the library by the students. The books must be immediately returned to the library by students. Here it is passive voice. Must be returned is the passive verb. Its active verb is must return. By the students is the agent. So bring the agent first. The students. Then the verb must be returned, change into must immediately return, RETURN, to the library. So the students must immediately return the books to the library. The second one is let the door be shut. Shut the door. Third one is please wait for me. 3. You are requested to wait for me. So you are requested is to be changed into please. Active. Please wait for me. 4th. I am to do this. 5th. My grandma loves me dearly. 6th. My sister is designing a new collection. 7th. The company employs 2,000 workers. 8th. The vet had nursed the injured dog to health a week before he went on vacation. My son will have received the prize before I reach the school. I postponed the party. So these are the answers of this exercise 4. This is already given. So I have let the door be shut. That is passive. So when it is changing to active, you have to avoid let and be also. Make the verb first. Shut the door. You are requested to wait for me. So you are requested is changed into please. Then to wait, infinitive is changed into base form. You are requested to wait for me is please wait for me. You are requested is taken out and the answer you put please. Then base form wait for me. This is to be done by me. That is I am to do this. Infinitive passive ആണ്. Infinitive passive. To be done is become to do. I am by me becomes subject I am. Is changed into as am. To be done is to do by me. So I have loved dearly my grandma. Here I am loved. That is present tense, passive. So grandma is the agent. My grandma loves. Am loved changed to loves. Am is taken out. Dearly me. My grandma loves me dearly. My grandma loves me dearly. A new collection is being designed by my sister. Is being designed the passive verb, present continuous tense. By my sister is the agent. So my sister is designing a new collection. My sister is designing a new collection. 2,000 workers are employed by the company. Here are employed, present tense passive, by the company agent. So the company are employed is the present tense passive. So my company employs 2,000 workers. My company employs 2,000 workers. Okay. Are employed present tense and the passive is past tense passive, present tense passive, and we change into active employees. So these are the answers of the exercises. So remaining exercises you have to do it and study it for the semester exam. You will study, questions will be asked for the unit test and semester exam. Please study well. Wish you all the best. And passive voice is completely over. Now next class we are going to see direct and indirect speech. It's very important and it's complicated. I request your attention and dedication for studying the grammar classes. I hope you are studying.